I'm Marissa from Design by Geeks and Rissa Rocks It, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble these Santa Face gift card holders. You can buy this SVG design at the link below in the video description. This design comes with two options for the face. You can either choose from eyes closed or eyes open. Let's begin. You're going to start by cutting out all of your pieces, which you can see laid out here. As I mentioned, there's a choice between which eye shape you want, so just cut out whichever version you want to do. The first piece we're going to glue together is the background color for the eyes onto the gift card holder itself. And we want to glue it to the front of the gift card holder, which is the top section, the section that's a little longer that does not have the notch piece. So this is the top. So we're going to place the glue on this black rectangle. And then we're going to place that onto the top of the gift card holder. Next, you're going to glue whichever face you want on top of the black background. Then we're going to glue the beard. After the beard, we can then do the mustache. Now the mustache is a separate piece because that's going to give it a little bit of extra dimension. And if you like, you can give it even more dimension by only applying glue to the middle and then curling up the ends of the mustache, which is what I'm going to do. So you're going to align that with the mustache shape on the beard, and then you can just gently curl up the ends of the mustache like so, and that gives it a little bit of nice dimension. Next is the hat, and if you'll notice on the hat piece, there's one edge here at the left that is flat. That left flat edge is going to align with the top left edge of the gift card holder, like so. If you can see, there's where the edge is. We're going to slide it right up to align with that top corner where that flat edge is. So when you're placing glue on the back of the hat, just make sure you don't go any higher than the flat edge and that you don't go any further than what the width of the gift card holder is. So it's a little teeny bit past this bottom flat edge. And see, we're aligning that flat edge to the top left corner. All right, next we're going to glue down the hat trim, which is this little curved piece and the little pom-pom. You could just align that where you think that looks good on the hat. And for the pom-pom, you can just put a little teeny dot of glue at the point of the hat and then stick your pom-pom on wherever you like. The last part of the face we're going to glue down as the eyebrows and the nose. And the eyebrows can go wherever you think it looks nice. Just keep them even. You want to make sure that they're equally spaced over the eyes and aligned to the middle. You also want to make sure you're kind of getting the angle the same so that they match. The very last step is you're going to actually assemble the actual gift card holder part of the gift card holder. And you're going to do that by folding along the score lines. So you're going to fold down each of these side flaps, and then you're going to fold it back like so. then what you're going to do is you're going to put glue on these side flaps so that it stays together. And so then you just, once the glue is on, you just fold that back and press down until the glue dries. All right, now it's ready to slide in a gift card, and you can give that away as a gift. Thank you so much for watching.